Time skip, what's my reality? North wind blows, blood eagles coming naturally. If you're in the way, you might become another casualty. Apple of my eyes, not from Eden, it's catastrophe. Lost it all young, I don't need your respect. Got Asgard gods that keep cutting the check. Thought that Nordic blood floors where my heart would be left. Now going for Echo's lump snapping his neck. I'm not a god, I don't wanna be like you. Searching through the grave for the answers to the right truth. Sacrifice is nothing if the power blinds the right cue. Near the end of times, this existence just a haiku. Not yet, rewrite it. Life is just a process. Ignite it, number one prospect. Two-sided, got a lot of heart left. Not frightened, beat 'em up, fucking to the ground. To the sound of Valhalla's war bell. Start singing, got too many deaths etching to my belt. Yeah, always feel myself when the reaper's near. What did I bring it? What am I feeling? What am I supposed to do? Half mortal, half fully, feel it pulling through. Venomous knife, cutting my life, built with all the proof. No horns on my helmet, I'm a chosen few. And my heart is true. Break down the walls, lay siege beneath. We'll give it all. Valhalla, dreams are all we need. Scarred and broken beings, prepared for war.
Hollow nights on bloodstained seas. Pray Odin's here with me. Live to die and conquer all. Born to rise while legends fall. Legends fall. Northern skies, the frozen coast. Born to rise while legends fall.
Step one, get you out of my head. I don't need the power, rather see my family fed. And then it's step two, see where destiny's led. Head into the vault, brother, at my back to the end. So now it's step three, ain't nobody do it like me. Looking from the future, you'll see. Straight to step four, grace pulling me deep. Yeah, Valhalla's always been way more than a dream. I fucking had it, never been the enemy. Roar borealis, spewing ended times energy. Million path visions, which unlocks away our destiny. Halfway to myself, I don't know who can hold the rest of me. The recipe is right in front of all of us, yeah, we hold the key. Basham couldn't stop us, now there's no way that he could leave. Calling on the future now, I hear humanity scream. Bouncing back and forth, reality is not what you believe. To lose all. Fuck what you heard, battle cries coming through the smoke. Fuck your blood in my veins, take your life just to go.